Today we are going to be making slime. You will need Elmer's Glue, Liquid Magic, and optional if you want lotion to make it softer. You will need paint, whatever you want to add in it. First, get your glue. Put 3 to 4 ounces in here. Get your Liquid Magic. Pour it in. And next, you're gonna put in your paint, whatever color you would like. 1 squirt. And start to mix. Make sure you do it a little hard, not too soft, or it won't work. Now it's to the point where you might want to add whatever you'd like. I'm going to add these little fluffed out thingies on. Then start to mix whatever you put into your slime. It's okay if you didn't put anything into your slime. It's your slime. Add what you want. That's it for today. Bye.